Hey you guys, it's Kris. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a week since I've been able to sit down and film or edit. There's been a lot going on, obviously, and I just was not in the mood. It's been a struggle these past couple of weeks, really these past couple of months, but these last few weeks have been a lot. You already have everyday life and whatever, you might be dealing with, and then it's like, boom. Here's some more weight for you to carry. I really haven't been feeling myself. Actually, a few days before we learned of the murder of George Floyd, I, for whatever reason, just didn't have like the strength or the energy to edit any videos. I just kind of, I don't know, I wasn't up to it. Something was off. I didn't feel right. I have like 2 or 3 other videos that I could have put up, but I just couldn't bring myself to edit. Like I just felt off. And then that day came, we all saw the video, and then there's just been a huge explosion of a lot of things going on in the world. I hope you guys are okay and staying safe and trying your best to stay sane. I've just been trying to remain positive and just count my blessings, because regardless of all of the craziness going on and whatever we all might be dealing with, there's still so much to be thankful for. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I do feel better, but there's just still a lot going on. So if you're feeling away, just know you are not alone, and we will all get through this. So with that being said, today's video is going to be on box braids hairstyles. I did my own box braids. This was my second time doing them. So by the way, if you see me looking here or here, that's where my mirrors are. So yeah, it was my second time doing these box braids. I do think this time around they look a lot better. It's nice to know that now when I want like a true protective style and I don't feel like dealing with my curls, I have this to go to. Practice makes perfect. They are not perfect right now, but with each go around, it looks better. A little bit about these braids before we get into the styling part of the video. There's about 50 braids. It's either 48 or 49. Every time I count, I get 2 different numbers. So almost 50 braids. When I first did the braids, however, there was a lot more hair. So they were larger. I'll post a picture on the screen somewhere. They were bigger, but I have been going back and redoing some of the braids and taking some hair out because it was really heavy, and I realized I didn't need that much hair. So now I feel like they're truly like a medium sized. It's not nearly as heavy. It's easier to put into a ponytail and do different styles. So that's exactly what I wanted. Because when it's heavy, it's just uncomfortable. Y'all know. It's uncomfortable and it's a lot to deal with, especially when you're not used to having a lot of hair. Originally, I used about 7 packs. But I think now that I've been removing hair, I feel like I used closer to 5, just for referencing. And I think that's all that I want to tell you guys. It took me about, I'm going to say 6 to 7 hours. The plan is to leave this in until July. So I am going to redo the braids in July. They've been in since the first month of June. The plan is to leave them in for like 2 more weeks. So I'm really trying to make it, because it's really nice not having to deal with my natural hair. Not even gonna flex. Yeah, that's it. Let's just go ahead, get into the styles. So for the first style, you can obviously just wear your braids all down. I currently have it in the middle part, but you can obviously do a side part as well. So just put them however you want. So like this side part, which is personally my favorite way to wear it when it's all down. So next up, with the hair down, you can obviously accessorize with scarves or like headbands. So this is a headband that I found at a random store in the mall. It was only like $2. It has a wire in it so you can shape it however you would like. So I'm gonna just play around with this and put it in the front. So like that, I think that's cute. So you can take a scarf now. This one is from Walmart. I like it because it's really long, like lengthwise. And then just try to finesse the back. You obviously could make a bow in the back if you wanted. But you have, you know, your scarf situation. Really love this look. Yes, use your scarves. They really just like create a vibe. Also, when your edges or, you know, the roots start looking a little crazy, you can finesse and cover that up. So scarves are a must. Clips, I know you guys remember these from back in the day. I forget what they're called, but these come in handy. Obviously you're gonna need a large one depending on how thick your hair is, but I like these for like when I just want to put my hair up, when I'm about to shower, or whatever. Like it can be cute. So I'm just going to put my hair in a ponytail, and then you want to twist your hair. This is the point where you clip. Take your clip. I'm gonna turn around so you can see. So yeah, it's like an effortless type of look, not meant to be super neat, especially because you're dealing with a lot of hair. So really it's just to help you get your hair out of your face, or if you just want to rock the look. So next is a side ponytail. You can either twist your hair like that. You can braid it. You can just put your scrunchie on and just have it, you know, to the side. So many options. You can do a side bun, which I don't feel like doing because I'm gonna do a bun on the top, but just to give you guys an idea. You can also rock a side ponytail. All right, so now we're gonna move on. I think I'm going to take the 3 pieces at the top and just tie them back. So next is another half up, half down style. The cool thing is you can just do whatever you want. This is a scrunchie with like a little ribbon at the ends. I don't know, I think these are cute. So you can accessorize with these as well. I'm gonna just put this up here. So from here, y'all already know the bun was coming. So you just wrap it around and boom, got another look. Okay, so next we're gonna give them 2 ponytails, 2 pigtails. So next we're gonna do some styles with the front little braids hanging. I feel like for whatever reason that style is real trendy right now, and I like it. So we're just gonna start off with a ponytail with the front pieces hanging. Boom, like that. This is real cute. Then you can put your ponytail a little bit lower. You can put it higher, however you want to do it. I did this look with a bun. Yeah, I did a bun. I'm gonna insert a picture right here. It was really cute. So then you can do half up. And that's a little bit more than half, sis. So for this, I'm gonna use a bigger scrunchie. These are like more stretchier and it's just less painful and easier to use. And I'm gonna put this in a bun. So for the last look, we're gonna do, you know, the traditional high up ponytail and bun. Bear with me, guys. This might take, well, it shouldn't take that long. But this is a style that you want to do when your hair isn't tight, because it is uncomfortable if your braids are tight. Alright, so there's the pony. Ooh, I forgot a piece. Okay, so there's the ponytail. Then I'm gonna do the bun, and with your bun, you can, you know, do it however. I like to twist. For me, I'm not against the messy look, so, you know, if it's not super perfect, that's okay with me. Well, that is all of the looks I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I can do another one because there's just so much you can do style wise. If you'd like to see a part 2, let me know. Really just enjoying not having to worry about my natural hair. I did blow it out this time before I did these braids and I trimmed it, so you know, we're just giving her rest. The curls need to rest. Really glad I did these again. I am going to do them next month, so if you'd like for me to film that, let me know. Really want to try knotless next time, but I feel like I should do the box braids again before I try to dive into the knotless life. I don't know, we'll see. Let me know down in the comments, what was your favorite style? If you have any questions about how I did these box braids, just drop them down below. I really feel like if you can braid, you can do box braids. Maybe give it a try if you have some time. It does take a while, especially if you're new, but it's cute and it lasts a while and it's cheap if you do it yourself, because y'all know braiding hair is not expensive. So I believe that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I hope you are doing okay, staying safe, all that good stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied.